So here let's discuss the topic of continuity, which is a very important topic, and it's exercise 5.1. We did limits in class 11. It is an extension of what we did in class 11. When did limit exist at a particular point? If LHL was equal to RHL, that means if the left hand limit was equal to the right hand limit, then limit existed at a particular point. So now we move to continuity. Continuity is basically any function fx whose graph you can draw without lifting the pen. That is your continuity, whose graph you can draw without lifting the pen. Now suppose I have the definition of continuity. A function fx is said to be continuous at a particular point x equal to a if the left hand limit is equal to the right hand limit is equal to the value of the function at that particular point. When we had limits, we only had LHL and RHL. Now it's also equal to the value of the function at the given particular point. So limit extending to a minus fx. A minus means slightly less than a. You are in the neighborhood of a. You are approaching a from the left as well as from the right. So limit extending to a minus fx should be equal to limit extending to a plus fx, which should be equal to f of a. I hope the concept is now clear. Let's take up a question. Question 6 of 5.1. F of x is 2x plus 3 if x is less than or equal to 2, and 2x minus 3 if x is greater than 2. So first you should know the reading of the function carefully. This is the reading of the function. From here the breakage point is what? 2. यानी 2 से कम में ये 2x plus 3 ले रहा है और 2 से ज़्यादा में ये कितना ले रहा है? 2x minus 3 ले रहा है. ऐसे दो अलग-अलग values आ रही हैं. So let's first find out LHL, limit extending to 2 minus fx. 2 minus means slightly less than 2. तो 2 से कम में ये फंक्शन क्या वैल्यू ले रहा है? 2x plus 3 ले रहा है. तो यहाँ पर फंक्शन की जगह 2x plus 3 रख दिया. फिर लिमिट ढूंढनी है तो 2 into 2 plus 3. So how much do I get from here? I get nothing but 7. Actually it does not mean at 2, but जब लिमिट ढूंढ रहे हैं तो 2 से स्लाइटली कम, तो उसकी वैल्यू भी 7 से स्लाइटली कम आएगी. तो इट इज रिटन एज 7 itself. तो लिमिट जब ढूंढते हैं तब तो x की जगह पे 2 ही रख देते हैं. तो 2 into 2 plus 3. So I get 7. Now let's see the RHL. Limit extending to 2 plus f of x. तो लिमिट एक्सटेंडिंग टू 2 प्लस 2 से स्लाइटली ज्यादा. 2 से स्लाइटली ज्यादा में वो क्या वैल्यू ले रहा है? 2x minus 3. अब x की जगह पर हम क्या रख देंगे? 2. तो 2 into 2 minus 3. तो 4 minus 3. How much do I get from here? 1. तो LHL 7 आया और RHL कितना आया? 1 आया आपके पास. तो LHL is not equal to RHL. Hence the function. जब LHL और RHL ही सेम नहीं है तो f of 2 ढूंढने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. अगर सेम आते तो मैं f of 2 ढूंढती. Just for your knowledge, f of 2 भी कितना होता? 2 into 2 plus 3 7 होता. बट यहाँ हमें ढूंढने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. Hence the function is not continuous. Is not continuous at x equals to 2. So the function is discontinuous at x equal to 2. Let's take up another question. Question 15 of 5.1. Now let's see the reading of the function. F of x is 2x if x is less than 0, 0 if x is greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 1, and 4x if x is greater than 1. तो फंक्शन ऐसा डिफाइंड है. तो यहाँ पर इस क्वेश्चन में अगर आप देखो तो दो ब्रेकेज पॉइंट्स हैं. 0 भी है और 1 भी है. तो मेरे को दोनों पॉइंट्स पे चेक करना पड़ेगा. सो एट x equals to 0. सो लिमिट एक्सटेंडिंग टू 0 minus fx. तो 0 से कम में फंक्शन क्या वैल्यू ले रहा है? 2x. ये गिवन है मुझे ये क्वेश्चन में. तो तो लिमिट एक्सटेंडिंग टू 0 माइनस 2x हो गया, x की जगह पे मैंने 0 रख दिया, तो 2 into 0 gives me 0. Now limit extending to 0 plus 0 से slightly ज़्यादा, 0 से ज़्यादा में फंक्शन क्या वैल्यू ले रहा है, 0 ले रहा है, तो ये 0 हो गया. And the value of the function, if x is greater than or equal to 0, it is taking up value 0. ये given में है मुझे in the question, तो f of 0 is what, 0. So LHL is equal to RHL is equal to f of 0. Hence the function is continuous at x equals to 0. Now what about at 1? There are two breakage points I told you. You always have to check at the breakage points. Now at x equals to 1, LHL would be what? Limit extending to 1 minus fx. तो 1 से slightly कम, तो 1 से slightly कम में fx क्या वैल्यू ले रहा है, 0. x is less than or equal to 1, it is what, 0. And 1 से slightly ज़्यादा, limit extending to 1 plus fx, 1 से ज़्यादा में it is taking up what value, 4x. तो 4x, x की जगह पे 1 रख दिया, तो how much have I got it as 4. So LHL is not equal to RHL, so the function is discontinuous at x equals to 1. So that's the basic method to solve any continuity question. Just stick to this method. This is the easiest method that we have. So we got that the function is continuous at 0 and discontinuous at 1. So do try the questions by this particular method. We'll discuss them later.